en la calle Loiza. Si notan que el carro está brincando, es que es la condición en que se encuentran estas calles. If you feel or see in the film that my car is moving up and down, bobbing, is because of the condition of this street. The holes have been patched, but that's all they do. They put that cheap asphalt or whatever they put in to patch the holes, and then they repatch it and they repatch it and they repatch it. So it might be like 4 or 5 layers of asphalt on the street. But otherwise, this is full of restaurants and closed buildings. To my left, there, this street used to be full of cheap stores, like the Dollar Tree, that kind of store, everything $1, called Topeka and Pitusa, and then cheap restaurants. But now it's gentrified, so now it has been, I know it's also full of Airbnbs and cheap, like cheap lodgings too, like hostels. So now it's very hard to find parking, and the rents, some of the rents from what I hear have gone up the roof. And this woman coming in reverse, I got a Puerto Rican for you. Okay, so let's take a break here and then I'll turn it up again.